I've made an interesting discovery with my microphone and computer. I was getting a weird buzzing sound, so I wanted to try a few things, and I ended up moving around my cable, and that changed a lot. I moved it away from my computer, which was very interesting. It's very interesting that that helped. So I wanted to know what my computer sounded like to my microphone, and I do not understand this, and I would like an explanation if anyone has one. And it seems to do something with the graphics card. So I have an RX 580 Radeon graphics card, and it makes this noise when I hold the microphone up to it. And that's not what it sounds like in real life, so I'm very confused. So it's probably like the fans or something. I don't know. The fans aren't always running or something or other, but the sound changes when I start moving windows. So I'll demonstrate. You'll see it with the visual. It should be synced up. It even works with just moving my mouse around. Pardon for the changing volumes. I'm moving the microphone around. It's not actually changing volumes. But that's my discovery. If you know what's going on, please tell me. It's very weird. That's all. Bye.